Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a homemade version of Hamburger Helper Beef Stroganoff. I've started off the recipe by heating up a skillet with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and I'll be browning up 4 large white button mushrooms that have been sliced. Once the onions start getting a little bit of color on them, they can be removed and transferred into a bowl so that I can start browning up 1 pound of lean ground beef. Once the beef is browned up, I'll add the mushrooms back in, along with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 1/2 cups of beef broth, and 8 ounces of wide egg noodles. Once it comes up to a gentle boil, I'll drop the heat down to low, cover it, and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes or until the noodles are done. Once the noodles are tender, I'll add in 2/3 cup of sour cream, and then I'll let this simmer for about 3 minutes just to allow the sour cream to heat up. I've garnished the homemade Hamburger Helper Beef Stroganoff off with just a little bit of sliced green onion, and now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. Of all the Hamburger Helper meals out there, the beef stroganoff one was always my favorite, and this definitely does not disappoint. It tastes almost exactly like the box kit. The flavors are all very well balanced. The only thing I would say is I could use just a tiny little bit more salt, but that's just a personal preference. Overall, this is something I definitely plan on making again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.